Welcome to Folded, Crease Stained, Crumpled. I'm Tina.
And I'm Anna.
Way to delay. Anyway.
Hey, there's no delay on my end, okay? I'm piping up as soon as you stop talking.
Every week I have to kind of cut a snippet because there's always a pause between me saying I'm Tina and you're Anna. It's not anyone's fault, it's just funny because I always there's a delay on my end. Anyway, Anna and I have been talking about this for I'd say months, and we're always oh, we need to do an episode on this. So finally we're going to do it. I feel like Anna was way more excited about this than I am, but I'm still very excited. So today's episode, sorry, go ahead.
I'm super stoked. Sorry.
She is. When I showed her the first time, she lost her mind. I mean, it was and here it is. And we're finally doing it. We're going to show you exactly what made Anna lose her mind. Da-da-da-da. Oh, this thing is heavy. Okay. Ta-da! I honestly...
It is a 44 drawer organizer. For what? Stationery.
So, this is exactly like Anna said, a 44 drawer organizer. So for everyone that thinks, hey, she has a lot of stationery, where does she put everything? This is it. This is my baby. I love it. So it's got 32 small drawers, so they're this size. And then there's 12 of the medium drawers that are about this size. I got these at the Container Store. Sorry. I got this at the Container Store, and unfortunately Container Store is only in the US. But lucky for me, when I looked at it, it delivered to Canada. So guess what? I paid $44.07 and I got this. At first I thought, oh, it might be too big, I wouldn't have enough stuff to put in there. It's wrong. Every single one of these drawers have been filled with something, and I'm not going to go through it all because that would be a very, very long video, but I will show you some fun things that I put in here. I'm trying to see, I've got, up here usually are just regular size pens because you can't fit those big markers. So I've got some Papermate, Inkjoy pens that I put in here. So these sizes are perfect for the smaller container drawers. So it's not hard to take out and put in. It's just I'm on an angle, so it's a little bit more difficult for me. And then I have these mile liners. So the mile liners, because I have a lot of it, I could put them in here, but I do have a large amount, so I didn't pack it up there, and I didn't want to use two, so I put it in one of the medium ones. And then, guys, I have so many I have binder clips. I have paper clips. You can put anything in here. I forgot. I even have Sharpies. This is the best drawer ever. Ever. I love it so much. And I definitely will put a link down below. But I wanted to research just a little bit more because I wanted to give you information on it. And it is currently, they are not shipping it internationally. So if you live in the States, congratulations. You could get a curbside pickup or online delivery. However, for us Canadians, I don't know if it's temporary. I tried looking online. It didn't really say anything. It just said currently they're not shipping it internationally. So that means I don't think anyone can get it at the moment, but I think it's a temporary thing because they've always shipped to Canada.
A COVID temporary pause on shipping.
COVID sucks. And, and so I also wanted to show that at the bridge of the container here, I don't know if you can see, right here, they have 2 holes on each side. So for anybody that doesn't have any room in their house to put this just on a surface, I currently have it on a drawer and I found the room for it, but if I couldn't, you can actually put this up on the wall. So 2 sides. It doesn't come with anything. It didn't come with screws or anything, so you would definitely have to buy your own screws to bolt this onto your wall. It does get quite heavy, so think about that as well. And I looked at the dimensions just to help you out. So the length is 19.5 inches, the width is 7 1/8 inches, and the height is 15.5 inches. So it's not small at all. It's quite big. I was able to find the perfect spot for it. And I like the fact that you can also, if you want to, label it. If you have a label maker, I recommend labeling it. But because it's my own, I'm the only one using it, I know exactly where everything is. I don't bother with the label. And honestly, I'm not that lazy where I can't just go through each cabinet, like each drawer and be like, what do I have in here? You know what I mean?
You can relive your project.
Exactly.
Each drawer.
Exactly. And you know me so well. And I love this drawer so much. And honestly, for Anna to be that excited about it, you know it's a great find for me.
I have to admit though, when you were ordering it, you asked my opinion, and I thought it was kind of a silly purchase. But then when it came in, I definitely ate my words. Like, it is a very cool storage unit, and obviously you can use it for more than pens or stationary items. Like, if you have any people who have hobbies like maybe fishing or
sewing, yeah,
or scrapbooking, it's multi-use.
Exactly, sure. Exactly. And where I used to sit at work, and I used to like to stand in front of the case and likes to, like, you know, just annoy me and push out the drawers a little bit. Just, you know, don't forget, I'm here still, right here. And I used to just look at her and just be like, why are you doing this? And then I'd have to push it back in.
You loved it. Every time I did it, you loved it.
No, I didn't. But I love her, so I put up with it. But anyway, yeah, in case anybody ever wondered why I have so much stationery and why, like, where I would put it, because I do live in a condo and there isn't much storage room or space. And I am in the middle of working on a plan on how to purge some of the items and make more room for my stationery, because that is important to me. And also, just to kind of quickly show you, for the stuff that I use currently, because not everything fits in here, I have a Muji container. I call it the milk container. I don't know why, but it has a little handle in the middle and it has like 4 compartments on each side and 1 wide one. I'll have to do that another time, but those are for more of my items that I use more often, because not everything will fit in here and not everything I want to put away. And the best part about this whole thing is that sometimes I do forget that I put some stuff, like fun stuff in here. And when I'm looking for something specific, I'll open up and be like, oh yes! And it's almost like new stationery all over again. Guys, it's worth every penny. 44 bucks Canadian. Canadian! It's not bad for this storage. I'm not trying to sell you on it. I'm just telling you it's the best thing out there for all your stationery needs. So I thought I'd just pop in and let you guys see where I store all my stationery. Ta-da! Anyway, I don't have a name for it, so I don't know. If you have a name, I like to name stuff. I've named my plants. Yeah, I know I'm weird, but if you have a fun name for my little storage container, let me know. Comment down below. But for now, this is it. This baby is my stationery holder. It protects all my stationery. Anna, is there anything I'm missing?
Please remember to like and subscribe and share, and I hope everybody is staying safe during these COVID times.
For now, Tina out. Peace.